Hey.
All right, we got Mr. Wallace here. He's about to unravel his barbecue grill here.
Let's see what we got going on. Look out, everybody. We are about to take. There'll be no more hunger in the world.
Right. Mr. Wallace has got his double barrel grill smoker here. And you got the sliding cooking grates in there, sir. You got a rotisserie kit in there. I went ahead and threw that in there for you. And what you think about your pit, buddy?
This is going to be the best cooking food. I'm going to have to put some security in here. Boss, number one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And we got his logo on here. Let's see here. Boom. There you go.
Looking at it.
Personal logo.
Looking good.
Nice professional thermometers on there for you so you can tell when you're smoking, when you're barbecuing, and when you're grilling. And then on the side here is what I was telling you about, sir. You got your rotisserie on there, so we'll put that out there for you today. All right. Excellent.
Everybody.
All right. What is it? Is that like
We've got wild boar.
wild boar? Okay.
We've got antelope.
Antelope.
And we've got some deer.
Okay, we got some deer in here. Okay, all right. Yeah.
Right about there. That's a good meat.
Let's go ahead and open up that door real quick, Chris. See what we got. All right, we can go ahead and and the inside of that pit is going to be seasoned very well. See that? Well, here we are, folks. We got some pheasants on the rotisserie grill here that we just put on the grill here, and everybody's waiting to eat. So as soon as the pheasants are done, we'll be eating. You guys all ready to eat?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. So we've been grilling, and majority of the meats is all done. The pheasants is what's left.